There's nothing better than a pint of beer at the end of a hard day's work. It's well known that people in the past drank remarkable quantities of alcohol. But what do we really know about historic beer? How was it made? How strong was it? Why was it drunk? What are the myths and what are the facts? I'm Dr. Susan Flavin, a food and drink historian. I want to take you on a journey through Britain and Ireland, discovering past brewing traditions from a time when the drink as we know it today first came into being. We've all heard that myth that people drank beer because the water was bad. Working with a passionate team of craftspeople and using authentic recipes, I want to see if we can recreate a 16th century beer to get a true understanding of the drink.
These are exactly the grains that people would have been eating hundreds of years ago.
Our process is unchanged for hundreds, if not thousands of years.
You cannot write the craft down. And the man that teaches me the craft is long dead.
This is the story of our pint in the past.